Good afternoon, students. This is G. Bhimaraju. So today I'm going to explain double integration problems on double integration method on simply supported beam and cantilever beam with a combination of UDL and point load. And the problem is a simply supported beam, a SSC beam of span 4 meters. Of span 4 meters long is subjected to a UDL of 2 kilonewton per meter. In addition to a central point load of 12 kilonewton. So determine the maximum slope and deflection. If I equal to 78.07 into 10 to the power of 5 mm power 4 is the units, and next to E equal to Young's modulus. E is nothing but Young's modulus, 200 kilonewton into mm square. So for this question, the diagram is the simply supported beam having two supports at its ends, having a span length of 4 meters. So having a span length of 4 meters is subjected to a UDL of 2 kilonewton per meter. Subjected to a UDL of 2 kilonewton per meter, and this is a 2 kilonewton per meter is the entire span. 2 kilonewton per meter is entire span. 2 kilonewton per meter on entire span. In addition to a central point load of 12 kilonewtons. So the central point load of 12 kilonewtons at a distance of 2 meters from left end. 12 kilonewtons at a distance of 2 meters from left end. By using double integration method. Okay. For this problem, the diagram is a 4 meter span and simply supported beam. The UDL is 2 kilonewton per meter and a central point load of 12 kilonewton at a distance of 2 meters from left end. This is the left end, 2 meters from left end, and the remaining span length is 2 meters in the overall span length of 4 meters. So this is the point load is 12 kilonewtons. Okay, and solution is, let us assume this end is A and this end is B and this end is C. Let us assume this end is A, right support end A, and this support right support is B, left support is A, and center point load is C. Okay, for this diagram he required a maximum slope and deflection. For finding the maximum slope and deflection, first you write a given data. You can write a given data, that is L equal to nothing but span length. L is nothing but span length 4 meters. 4 meters is nothing but 4000 mm. Why? Because here Young's modulus units is in mm and moment of inertia units is mm. That's why here unit conversions of length from meter to mm. There is a need to change in meter to mm. And next W, that is UDL. UDL is 2 kilonewton per meter, and next point load W, point load, that is 12 kilonewtons, and next I, that is 78.07 into 10 to the power of 5, and next E, Young's modulus, that is 200 kilonewton into mm square. Okay, for the finding of maximum slope and deflection, for the maximum slope, so maximum slope occurs for this beam is so deflection shape is like this for this beam under the loads. So maximum deflection occurs at C, that is y maximum, at yc. At yc, point is C, you assume as a point is C, that is a maximum deflection point occurs for this beam at a center only, though that center point is also denoted as a y maximum. So occurs at C, that's why here deflection denoted letter y, and acting at a point is C. And next maximum slope is Ia, here one of the slope, and Ib, here another one of the slope. So the maximum slope also occurs at IC. So slope denoted letter is I, so occurs at C. So this is also denoted as I maximum, equal to how much, and y maximum equal to how much. And next, for finding of maximum slope and deflection, so both the maximum slope and deflection occurs at maximum slope and deflection occurs at a free end, that is at B. So there is nothing but the maximum slope and maximum deflection for this beam occurs at a free end B. So that free end B is denoted as YB, that's why IB. And next, so this point is B and this point is C. This is not free end, occurs at a center, that center point is B, YB and IB. IB equal to how much and YB equal to how much. Okay, and we are going to find these values. For the finding of these values, the formula is maximum slope at a center. For these simply supported beam, the maximum slope at center is nothing but occurs point is at center. So that's why that point is denoted as a letter B. So here putting a B, letter B. So for these maximum slope at center, the formula is can be divided for this beam, splitting into two parts, that is slope due to UDL plus slope due to point load. UDL and slope due to point load. And slope due to point load, so this point load is nothing but for the simply supported beam carrying UDL entire span, the maximum slope formula is W carrying UDL entire span UDL. The maximum slope formula is finding a slope, the slope formula is W L cube by 24 EI. This is the slope formula for simply supported beam carrying UDL entire span plus slope due to point load, and this point load acting at center point. So the slope formula is for center acting as center point, the slope formula is W L square by 16 EI. W L square by 16 EI is the formula. So W L cube by 24 EI is formula for slope due to UDL for this simply supported beam, and W L square by 16 EI is the slope formula for these simply supported beam carrying point load at center. So by using this formula, we are going to find a maximum slope at center. And for the maximum slope at center, the values is for this point load, this is the distance of L1. So for the L1 distance, you can find the only point load for L1 distance. So here it is in the formula, here L, value L. So L is nothing but 4 meters. Here L also 4 meters, but UDL load is 2 kilonewton per meter. So for this beam, the value substituted in the equation, that is IB equal to I maximum equal to W. This is for UDL formula, this is for point load formula. Okay, for UDL formula, the UDL load is 2 and into 10 to the power of 3 Why? Because 10 to the power of 3. So these 2 kilonewton can be changed in conversion from kilonewtons to newtons. So for the conversion of kilonewtons to newtons, you can multiply these 2 kilonewton per meter into 10 to the power of 3 into 10 to the power of 3 into, so L is nothing but 4. So here also units is in meters. So here also you can change the units in, you can substitute units in mm. So 4000 whole cube, 4000 whole cube by 24. So E is nothing but, E is in the problem 200, and I is nothing but 78.07 into 10 to the power of 5 plus W. So this is for point load. So W for point load is 12. So 12 into 10 to the power of 3. You can change these kilonewtons into newtons. For the changing of kilonewtons from kilonewtons to newtons, you can multiply this value into 10 to the power of 3, and L is nothing but 4000 whole cube by 24, sorry 16 into E is nothing but 200, and I is nothing but 78.07 into 10 to the power of 3, sorry 10 to the power of 5, 10 to the power of 5. Okay, you can simplify this equation. After simplify this equation, you can get slope. So you can get maximum slope. That maximum slope occurs at B, center point. That B you can get after simplification of these values. So this is units is in 2 newtons. Sorry, these units is in kilonewton per meter. So meter you can changing into here mm, and here also mm, here also mm, and 24 E. E is in the terms of kilonewton per mm square, and here units is mm power 4. Both the units are cancelled. Kilonewton is mm square is the remaining units. Okay, and here you can change these units into newtons. So here this answer is you can get answer is 3.345 radians is the answer. 3.345 radians is the answer. Okay, after once you check this answer, and next after getting the maximum slope, okay, after getting the maximum slope, and other thing, you also need to find the maximum deflection, and already you know that maximum deflection occurs at B center, occurs at B point center. So that B point is nothing but y B equal to y maximum equal to deflection. The formula is deflection due to UDL plus deflection due to point load. So for these deflection for these cantilever simply supported beam carrying UDL, formula is W L cube by W L power 4 by 48 384 EI, 5 W L power 4 by 384 EI plus this is for UDL, and for point load is W L cube by 48 EI. W L cube by 48 EI is the formula. This is for UDL and this is for point load. This is for point load. Okay, for this problem, so you can change these units into 5. So W is nothing but 12 kilonewton per meter. W is nothing but 12 kilonewton per meter, 2 kilonewton per meter, 2 into L is nothing but 4000 power 4 by 384 into E is nothing but 200, I is nothing but 78.07 into 10 to the power of 5, 10 to the power of 5 plus W is nothing but point load, that is 12 kilonewtons, and L is nothing but span length of 4000 power cube by 48. E is nothing but 200 into I is nothing but 78.07 into 10 to the power of 5. Okay, so here units is in the terms is kilonewton, kilonewton, and here units is in kilonewton per mm square, and here mm power 4. So these units cancel. Kilonewton into mm square is the remaining units. After simplify these equation, you can get the answer is 12.07 mm. 12.07 mm. You can enter these values in your calci. After enter these values, you can get 12.07 mm is the maximum slope for these simply supported beam carrying UDL and point load. UDL and point load. And this is the problem, and very very important problem, and for your upcoming exams. So this is the solution. This is the maximum slope. The answer is maximum slope answer is 3.345, and this is the maximum deflection. This is the formulas for maximum deflection. This is for UDL and this is for point load, and this is the maximum deflection answer. Okay, thank you.